Yeah, and mine not even poisoning me, are you? Ethan, would you like to pet mine?
No, I got one.
And mine is flying bird just like yours. And mine is blue and blue.
Mine's different.
Ethan, no! Do not touch! It's too dry. Ethan, you have dark green and light green, and I have white ink for my eyes and my poison stuff. And I also have dark green. I have also dark green here.
Help!
Oh! Water sweats! Get Ethan down! Okay, William. It was not you who big bird.
Oh, my blood. Up here.
Ethan. And when it's done, when you draw these things, but not this thing, because that gives him
That's the head.
that's energizers. What the cute little babies like you. Okay, but that's and when you're bigger, I make you poison flame.
Yeah.